Hey, what's up guys, I'm here back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you that the Flutter in the M1 Mac, how it will work and all of that, because I'm having an M1 MacBook Air right with me and you are just watching the M1 MacBook Air. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's the latest MacBook M1 Air. So I just wanted to tell you if it is safe to buy an M1 MacBook Air for Flutter programming. So let me tell you by getting onto the steps of this video. So the first step is going to be the emulator. So right here, the Android emulator doesn't yet support for the M1 Mac, but you can actually use the iPhone simulators instead of the Android ones, and these things literally work amazingly fast, blazing fast. These simulators are more faster than the 16-inch MacBook Pro, so you can rely on these simulators without any kind of worries. Okay, so and secondly, Android Studio also works amazing. There's a little bit of lag, there's no issue in Android Studio also. That thing also works wonders. I'm having Android Studio with me also. As you can see right here, I am also having the Android Studio with me. But don't worry, VS Code works awesome on this M1 Mac also. So what I wanted to tell you is the M1 MacBook Air is literally a great machine for also Flutter programming, also Swift programming. I've tried both of them. They literally work like hell, you know, like they literally work amazingly, blazingly fast. So you can actually buy these machines at $8.99 or $9.99 depending on if you're a student or not. And I have got this Indian version of this MacBook because I live in India. Okay, so in the next video I'll be showing you how to set up your Flutter works in the M1 MacBook Air. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel to watch that video the first. Goodbye.